Right now, I'm the bus driver for Umkhathi Theatre Works, the Zimbabwean company guest artist that's coming for our Dance Africa Festival. We're on our way to meet the company.
My name is Desmond Mdini. I'm the tour manager of this whole trip to the United States. We've been performing in New York for 2 weeks, and we're here now to do the last leg of our journey, the last leg of our tour here in DC at the dance place.
He's in the headdress and the costume. Okay, Adam, so give us the scoop on this 26th annual Dance Africa DC Festival.
It's going on through Sunday. We are heating it up here in Northeast, and I've learned a new language. Well, I should say part of a new language. Fomanibo. Isn't that great? That basically means attention in their native language in Zimbabwe. How would you say sunny and hot today?
Umkhathi namuhla uyachisa.
Right, thank you so much. I appreciate it. All right, that's the latest out here. Niabona. Back to you guys inside.
We are the chosen group, I think speaks well of the level of performance, speaks well of yourselves. So for that, let me just congratulate you.
When they sing here, you see, it's in a different place. It's somewhere. I can't imagine where home is, the direction of home, whether it's this side or that side or that side.
Yeah.
Yes, this is our home. Guys, we are at home. Let's clap hands for you.
Zimbabwe!
When we are in Africa, especially in Zimbabwe, when you even ask a young child, he will tell you that his dream is to be overseas, and that picture that we'll be having in mind is America, because when we're talking of overseas, that's the country that we always see in the movies, on screen. So the picture of America is always in our mind, and I'm very happy that today I'm talking in it. I loved to being here, and I hope I will come again.
Thank you very much for your warm welcome. I'm so grateful to be here. I'm going to miss this place. I'm going to miss it for real. Actually, I'm coming back. So where I'm going home, they should see me for a short time, but I'm coming back, definitely. Thank you.
The people here, they're so friendly and so welcoming. And we went to our Zimbabwean embassy. I can say, wow, they really made us feel at home. a big thanks to them.
I've seen what people do here. I've seen it and I've loved it. So I wish that maybe some of the guys from here will come to Zimbabwe.
I think it's nice to me to be in Washington DC, and I'm so happy to be here.
I'm loving the performances, all of them, and the people are nice here. I'm just happy to be here.
In Africa, my kid, Dylan, I love you, and I wish to come back here next time.
Well, it's good to be here in Washington, D.C. to perform at the Dance Africa Festival, and we will always love to come back here.
We've been away from home for almost 1 month. This is our last show in the US. We hope we're gonna come back one day.